YouTube. Here I am again. I got another package. This is the Sophie and Toffee Elves box. This will be it's the October box. It's the Halloween box. They were quite late with things because of their typhoon, so the September box was late, and that was my first box, and this is the October box. It's a bit late for Halloween, but I still want it, and I still want to see what's in it. So here we go. A bit of a different background today. I hope that'll help a little bit. So pretty box, very pretty as usual. Excuse me, always a pleasure to get these. And this box is October Elves box Spooky Cute. It says the project is a coffin trinket box and a coffin lid shaker. Oh, that'll be fun. And then again, hashtag your creations with the Elves box for a chance to win a free box. Closing date for this is 15th of December. And this is what's in the box. Let's look at it. So once again, I love these little, I don't know, nuggets, peanuts, whatever you call them. They get everywhere, but I love them anyway. So let's fish them all out. Let's just make life a bit easier. Rattle, rattle. Yay. Okay. Here we go. I suppose we should start with, the first thing on the list here is the coffin trinket box, excuse me, with shaker lid molds. It's an exclusive, it says. I've never tried a box. I've done a few other resin items that the pour resin, not the UV resin. I've never tried a box. Oh, excuse all the rattling. I want to take it out. Very rattly. Okay. All right. So that's fixed. It's that's awesome. It's really interesting. It's fixed. Pour your resin in there, and this is the lid part. Pour your resin in there. I hope everybody can see that. Oh, actually in focus. Yay! And wow, I'm looking forward to that. So that's fun. One item. Next item is resin. Apparently you get resin in every box. This is not UV resin. This is the AB. This is part A, part B, epoxy resin. This is what I'm used to working with. I've used this before for jewelry and other things. I generally make jewelry, so I've used it for jewelry and other bits like that. So this will be fun. And you get, I guess it looks about 2 or 3 ounces. It's probably enough to do your coffin box. Excuse me, I am getting over a cold. Bear with me. That is why this one is kind of late, and I have a tutorial to get up, and you know, it's crazy in here. It says it's a fast curing resin, by the way, but I would just always leave it overnight, personally. Alright, here's another shaker oil. I got one of these last month, and I did do the shaker. It was fun. So another one of these for use in water shakers, molds and globes. I don't know what we're going to use it with here, but oh, I suppose it's for the lid. Oh, stupid. I'm half balmy today, I tell you. Pink solid pigment. Oh, I love these. So this is another one of those liquid pigments. I'll shake it so it looks cute. It's pink solid pigment dye, 10 mils. A drop of this, I mean literally a drop, will colour things. I don't know if this is opaque. It says it's solid, so maybe not. So that's cute. And then what else have we got? Oh, glow in the dark moon confetti. Glow in the dark moon confetti. Did I pull that out somehow? I do not appear to have any confetti. Unless this is it. Oh, this is it. Told you I was half balmy today. I love all these rattly packets, but I'm sure they're hell on the sound. Oh, how adorable is that? It looks to be, I don't know if you can see it, but looks to be little moons and things. Hold on. See if I can get a bit out. I'm not sure if that's going to help any. Look, looks like little moons. Little glow in the dark half moons. How fun will that be? There we go. Alright, so there's our glow in the dark half moon confetti. And we have creepy cute stickers. They are creepy cute. Poison, happy Halloween, little skeleton hands and heads, bones, and nice little border. Those will be fun. Look, little cat faces. I suppose they're cat faces, bat faces, maybe. And miniature skull mold. Now I had so much fun with the mold last month. The little teeny weeny fishies, the little goldfish mold. I had so much fun with that. Oh, it's not going to show up at all. Alright, let's see. I hope you can see this. Put your finger in it, Leanne. Can you see that? Little skulls. Looks to be of 5 different sizes. That's going to be fun. I can see that being used in lots of things, actually. Not just Halloween. Anything pirate themed, basically. Or there's a lot of pirate jewelry I've made in the past. And, you know, these little icons and charms are useful for all kinds of stuff. And miniature pumpkin mold. Yay, pumpkins. Again, not necessarily Halloween-y. You know, I guess they could still sort of be used for Thanksgiving. I don't see why it would just be Halloween. Yeah, I hope you can see that. This one looks to have little ghosts. I don't know. Ghosts, maybe? Can you see that? There we go. I'm going to have some fun with that. And then clear film for shaker lid, which is in the bottom here. And I will be honest with you, I have absolutely no idea how to use this. I'll figure it out. And last but not least, or actually these were probably in the middle somewhere. I appear to have missed them. Well, unless it's a little extra, they don't appear to be listed. But we got some of these little, I don't know what you call them, bezels? Empty bezels? How cute are they? Pumpkin, a witch's hat, and a wee bat. Those are adorable. I like this one. They go on a keychain, they'd go on a necklace, bookmarks, awesome little bits. So once again, a super fun box. I will have a lot of fun. I already have some bezels. I had purchased some bezels, I think on Amazon, and I haven't tried them out yet either. So there's our little bezels. We've got our 2 molds, and little stickers, our resin, fun to use for all the family, food grade shaker oil, pink, which is a really nice color I haven't had before. I don't have a pink one in that shade. A little bit of glitter, and your coffin box, and Bob's your uncle. There you go again. They are coming fast and loose, these, because they came so close together. So I may or may not do anything Halloween-y, since Halloween is pretty much over. But I must admit, I'm dying to have a little go at the box. And I'm sure December's box, the winter box, will be coming swiftly behind this one. So I hope this, you know, gave you some inspiration. This is my second Elves box. I'm using the first one at the moment. I'm trying to do a tutorial, and I'm about to use this second one as well. I highly recommend it. I'm enjoying it. It gives you something structured every month that you can just go in there and use what is in the box. They'll give you something. I mean, you can make something with what is in the box. You can add your other bits to it. But it's nice. It stimulates your creativity every month. And I'm really enjoying working with the resin. So if you're on the fence as to whether or not to get this, I did kind of suck eggs at the beginning and say, oh, I don't know if I can dedicate that amount of money to a box. But I really think it's worth the money, to be honest. And I wouldn't be trying these things out if I hadn't got it. So even if you only give it a go for a couple of months, it's worth it. So thumbs up from me. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want some more little bits. I have a few I have a few Christmas how-do-dos that I'm working on at the moment. So there's other stuff coming. And thanks for listening to me waffle on about rubbish, and have a great week. Bye-bye.